Alright, there's that colossal killer right there. That's the original. Let's take a sound test. I'm about, this far from it. That's all you get. Yeah! Fixing to fuck some shit up. What we're installing today is the Stebel Nautilus air horn for motorcycles. Black. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's time. So, I mean, it's not like it's my first. Oh, fuck, that's gotta suck. Anywho, so y'all may wonder why, hey Tom, why don't you ever use a koozie or something like that? Or give a shit why this runs everywhere. I just don't. Why don't you ever use a koozie or something like that? Because I got a policy, man. If you fucking wait that long to drink your beer, you need to put the goddamn thing away. Just stop drinking it. You drink fast enough to where it doesn't get hot. Even in Texas. That's the rule. Carry on. What are we drinking today? Some fucking Ranger again. Carry on. I've been drinking some other stuff too. So I did take the horn down. I'm going to take some measurements and see what these two wires are, what they are exactly. I'll let you know after I clean this beer off my fucking everything. Alright, what are these two fine wires right here? You've got a brown with a white stripe, and you have a black one. So the brown with the white stripe is 12 volts, and then the black one, and obviously that's going to be with key on. The black one is a switched ground. So what that means is this guy, when the key's on, is always 12 volts. Hey, I got 12 volts down here. So I tell you what, if you want to tap into 12 volts, there it is right there. Anyway, this guy is a switch negative, or a switch ground. So basically what happens is when you hit the horn button, this guy makes a ground. It completes a circuit for this little horn, so you have 12 volts and a ground. Excuse me, this guy gets connected, beep, 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 and that's it. That's all there is to it. Doesn't matter which way you connect it or whatever. It's either going to suck or blow, it doesn't matter. Such a small piece of little tweeter. But yeah, that's it. So that's 12 volt, switched with the ignition, and switched ground with the horn button. That's what they are. Alright, so I got this piece of perforated angle crap, whatever it is. Alright, 90-degree angle. And I got this laser cut piece here. It's gotta be, look at that, that's kind of straight, right? Whatever. So it's close for government work. And I'll use this underneath to mount the new one. Shit, it's Africa hot up in my garage. But what's happening is I'm taking off my side, and what I wanted to show you, oh P.S. Little baby bike, don't give me hell. So what I wanted to show you, see those little butt connectors there, those little those little connectors right there. So I have micro switches, or not micro, but rocker switches on my side panels, and I take these side panels off like candy. So what I did, I made sure and put little connectors where I could disconnect and reconnect, so I can take my side panels off. A little tip from Uncle Tom, so you can undo your shit all the time. You don't want it hardwired, so just make it to where you can pop those bad boys off, because I'm fixing to run the wires for the horn, and I need room, so I'm taking this side panel off. I'm on the driver's side now, if you can't tell. I prepped a wire, or a set of wires. Basically what I did, I had some wire loom left over, and I had a black cable and a red cable, and those are 12 gauge, which are sufficient for 18 amp at a small run. So there they are, and that's going to be my horn wire, my positive and negative. Woo! That hornet's nest is pretty bad right now, so it's ugly, but I'm working on it. So I put this is added. This is just a fused connection. This will go to the positive side. I got a negative side over there. I lost the screw, so I had to replace that with some random shit I had, but it's coming through here, wire loom, up under, through here, and I'm going to connect all this business I'm sweating out of places I'm not supposed to. But yeah, it's coming along. Beer's chugging, and we're working on it. I'll have this done in a little bit. Man, this bitch it's wired, but I got to do some fixing on it and some cleaning up and all this other shit. But it's wired. It's up there. This this fucking thing's gonna be loud. And my poor wife already went to bed. It is, oh shit, it's 11:04 in the PM. She's gonna hate me. The garage door is shut. I'm gonna honk this motherfucker. You know, wish me luck. I may not be here tomorrow. I hope I can upload this. I hope she doesn't kill me. But here it comes, man. I'm gonna honk this motherfucker. Here's a relay. So if you think about it, you got your 12 volts from the original one, and you got your switching ground. Remember, I told you that's a switch. So that boom, that'll switch. That'll cause the 12 volts. I got it coming. Sorry, I got it coming from the battery. This red, it's well, it's coming over here to this one side. It's gonna come out of this other side, because basically what'll happen is it'll boom, touch together the contacts, because these two make it happen, and then bam, it's gonna light this horn up. And holy shit, I hope my ears don't explode. Here it comes, man. All right, so I turned on the key. Oh fuck, wish me luck. There's a horn button. All right, wish me luck. I hope I hope I don't shit myself. Oh fuck. All right, hold on, dude. Oh, man, wife, please don't kill me. All right, countdown. 3, 2, 1. Nothing happened. What the fuck? Relay went. Oh, relay went. Nothing else. Ah, god damn it, what'd I do? Alright, hold on, I'll figure it out. Alright, man, I forgot to put a fuse in here. So the fuse is for the horn. Oh shit. I hope it doesn't freak out. Ah. Dude, I'm nervous as fuck. Alright, here we go. I'm scared. This is gonna break my fucking eardrums. Y'all better love me. Right? And tell me, hey dude, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit, because this is gonna fucking bust my eardrums. Alright, wish me luck. If it doesn't blow up, I mean, you know, give me something on that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Holy fucking god, dude, that just happened. Ow! Shit, that's loud. Alright, one more time. Good, my wife's gonna kill me. Ready? Here we go. Holy fuck, it moves. I haven't tightened it down yet. You see that shit? Dude, you gotta give me something for that. Come on, motherfuckers. Alright, dude, I'm gonna button this thing up. I'm gonna clean up all the wires. I'm gonna... Hope I don't die, dude. Alright, man, you gotta give me something for that, man. Like, subscribe, rate, do that shit, because that was fucking awesome, man. You want me to do it one more time? Here we go. Ready, 3, 2, 1.